Your right, Honourable Mia Motley, Prime Minister of Barbados, distinguished ministers of state, leaders of government and industry, brothers and sisters of the Caribbean, and the global African family watching across the world. Today, I speak not only from Ghana, but from Africa, and I speak not only to Barbados, but to the entire Caribbean, Africa's family across the Atlantic. The Caribbean is not far from Africa. The Caribbean is Africa extended by history, tested by time, and preserved by spirit. The Atlantic Ocean did not erase identity. It could not wash away memory. It could not even silence genius. What it did was delay a reunion. And today, that reunion is happening, not only in West, but in technology, industry, and innovation. Africa and the Caribbean share more than ancestry. We share resilience. We share creativity under pressure. We share a legacy of building excellence even when denied resources. For centuries, African hands built other people's economies. Today, those same hands are building our own. And one of the strongest symbols of this rebirth is African engineering. Not imported, not assembled as an afterthought, but designed, engineered, and produced by African minds. This is where KANTANKA Automobile stands. KANTANKA is not just a car manufacturer. KANTANKA is a statement that Africa can design engines, a statement that Africa can meet global safety standards, a statement that Africa can produce vehicles fit for presidents, farmers, entrepreneurs, and nations. And today, your right honorable Prime Minister represent not just vehicles, represent a bridge between Ghana and Barbados, which is built on innovation, self-reliance, and shared destiny. The KANTANKA ONANTEFO 7-seater SUV represents African confidence on the global road. Powered by a 2.0 turbocharged engine, producing 165 kilowatts of power, 385 Newton meters of torque, 221 to 225 horsepower, and producing speeds of 210 kilometers per hour, the Onantefo is engineered for authority, stability, and leadership. Its 8-speed automatic CVT transmission, Aero VI emission standard, multi-drive modes, and ultra-high strength cage body show Africa meeting and exceeding global benchmarks. With ABS, EBD, ESP, HAC, DAC, TCS, and a full suite of advanced safety systems, the Onantefo protects not just passengers, but progress. Inside, luxury leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, 360-degree surround view, electric tailgate, and premium comfort redefine African-made opulence. This is not imitation. This is original excellence. The KANTANKA K71 Pro is Africa speaking the language of modern urban mobility. With a 1.5 turbocharged gasoline engine, 6-speed CVT transmission, Aero VI compliance, and intelligent multi-road driving modes, the K71 Pro blends efficiency, safety, and technology. Its reverse camera, electronic park brake, auto hold, ESP, tire pressure monitoring system, and advanced airbag systems make it a smart companion for modern cities like Bridgetown, Accra, London, and New York. Inside, electrically adjustable leather seats, dual-tone interiors, touchscreen systems, and panoramic safety features show that African vehicles are designed with global users in mind. The K71 Pro says, Africa understands the future of mobility. The KANTANKA Omama Off-Road is Africa's answer to rugged terrain and real-world demands. With a 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering 136 horsepower, 360 Newton meters of torque, and an impressive 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers fuel efficiency, the Omama is built for endurance. Its 4x4 capability, rear differential lock, ESC, EBA, TCS, and Hill Start Assist make it ideal for agriculture, construction, security, and national development. Inside, the 9-inch smart display, 360 panoramic, ergonomic leather seats, and advanced navigation systems ensure comfort without compromise. The Omama reflects the Caribbean spirit: strong, reliable, and unbreakable. The KANTANKA Obrempong is African authority on wheels. With a 2.3-liter intelligent turbo diesel engine, 318 Newton meters of torque, 8-speed automatic transmission, and Euro VI emissions, the Obrempong is built for leadership and logistics. Its 4x4 system, rear differential lock, 360 3D panoramic imaging, level 2 driving assistance, collision warning systems, and active cruise control show Africa designing vehicles for modern governance and industry. From its 5-link suspension system to its wireless charging, Android CarPlay, and advanced safety architecture, the Obrempong is built for those who lead nations and build economies. No nation rises without feeding itself. The KANTANKA Boafo Quad agricultural dump truck is Africa's answer to mechanized farming and rural empowerment. With a 350cc water-cooled engine, 4-wheel drive shaft drive, hydraulic damping system, and a massive 1,500 kilogram load capacity, the Boafo transforms agriculture into enterprise. Its ability to climb 35-degree slopes, operate on rugged terrain, and support large-scale farming shows Africa solving its own food security challenges. This is not luxury. This is nation-building innovation. The Right Honourable Prime Minister Mia Amomotli. Barbados understands resilience. Barbados understands independence. Barbados understands the power of self-definition. The same spirit that built Barbados can partner with Ghana, not as a buyer and seller, but as brothers in progress. Imagine Ghanaian Caribbean partnerships in automotive assembly, technical training, youth employment, sustainable transport, agricultural mechanization. This is not symbolism. This is economic pan-Africanism. To the young people of Barbados and the Caribbean, Africa is no longer just history. Africa is engineering. Africa is technology. Africa is industry. You don't have to look elsewhere to believe. You can look home. Your Right Honourable Prime Minister, KANTANKA is not just a brand. It is a bridge. A bridge between Ghana and Barbados, between Africa and the Caribbean, between memory and momentum. Africa is moving itself, and the Caribbean is welcome on the journey. God bless Barbados. God bless Ghana. God bless the global African family. KANTANKA, it is not just any car. It is our car.